Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. Today's the 4th of November, the day before bonfire night, and today we're going to be having a bonfire party. So I'm going to be vlogging it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah. So then guys, just got changed now. I'm going to go downstairs, see how it's all been set up, so let's go and have a look. So then guys, I'm just heading down to the bonfire now. I don't know if you can see me because it's quite dark, so I'll show you the bonfire when we get down there.
Some random person.
I don't have
some person was like, "Oh look, he's over there on the third picture on the right," and then she deleted the comment because it was someone.
I don't have your sisters around.
Yeah.
I'm just going to leave the comments up there to shame them.
I can't find them. I can see them.
What do you mean?
Go on. I'm open. Which videos was it on again? The piano.
The piano video and
Golazo goalie, man up! Wow, this is filmed.
Will, go on. You left me hanging.
Golazo.
Will, you left me hanging. Suck on that.
Come on, then.
Let's do that. Well, what are you doing? I scored a scorpion kick before.
Did you?
Or like
Oh,
yeah,
Golazo.
That was a cheat.
He got out before you did.
2-1.
Oh, I thought my thing was.
Come on.
Oh my.
Imagine if I went through the other hole.
That'd be a perfect trick shot.
I watched that video like earlier. And he was doing like 10 world records for basketball in one video.
Yeah. Oh, you know the one where he was blindfolded? He did it first try.
I don't know how. I'll left.
Usually they take like loads of a go.
Archie! We just all in like an upside down. Pops himself in.
Practice.
Outside that.
Sam was the one distracting us.
No.
That counts!
Oh, 3-1.
3-1 to us.
Wait, let me do it again.
No, 3-2.
3-2 to us. We got 2 awful goals.
No, Mark and
Block. I'm an insane striker.
Where's the goalie? I'm leaving the goalie there.
Jones and Smalling.
Chris Smalling!
Oh, we win! Oh, no.
No,
stop
Nine.
it.
Christopher Smalling made it
9-7.
9.
9-7.
I love you, Chris.
9-7.
He made it 9.
9-7.
Hello.
Come on.
Oh no, Will, don't hit backwards. Will, come on. 9-7.
Come on, let's go.
Will, I'm gonna try and
Video
hit
playing with our heads.
Will!
Who was it?
I'm
Ten.
Zach. I'm
Him.
Zach.
Yes.
That's
this one.
Boy.
Pogba.
No, I've.
Why are you following me? Bye-bye. Hey, why are you following me? Move. This guy's behind him now. I'm going in the cellar.
Hello. 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 We're just letting ourselves in.
Guys, I'm in the cellar. Hopefully they won't find me. Okay, I can talk normally down here because no way will they be able to hear me. Could be down here for a while. And it's really messy on the floor.
He might have already counted.
Follow me. Bye-bye. Guys, in the cellar there's this little door, so I'm going to hide in here. In the pitch black. In a really old house. Let me just open the door. Oh, thought I was stuck. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes since I last recorded. I'll give it another 5 minutes and then I might move, because it's a bit boring. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to have a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, here's pi all squared. Area's pi all squared. Area's pi all squared. Circumference equals pi all. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes since I was... Oh my god. Oh, I thought I was stuck. It's been about 10 minutes since I came in here. So, I'm gonna move. Oh, my socks are filthy. Can't get seen. Guys, we're out there.
I see him! Come here, boy!
I'm being banned. Oh no. What took you so long?
I was last found. After you.
What took you so long?
Where were you start? Where were you hiding?
Secret.
He walked straight past me.
Secret.
I'll text last time, no clue, right? Go.
Okay.
Are you guys not filming?
No.
Oh, stop.
Go. Goodbye. Okay guys, this is the last round of hide and seek and then we're gonna go outside. Look, you can see outside. Okay guys, I'm going now. Let's go. Come in! So guys, shall I go down here? Or shall I go down here? Oh. Come in! I just heard from... Let's go, listen. Sorry. Come on. Okay, I'm not allowed in there. Oh my god, the lights on. They're in here. They're definitely in here. In here. Oh dear. Just double check because it'll be annoying if they are in one of these.
America's not like the thing that great.
Wait for your coat. Go on now, thank you. Where did you put it?
Both of you, Adam, I'll tell you.
Alright, Will loses.
Adam, I'll tell you. I thought we said we were going downstairs.
I went to the toilet.
Found. Both of you. Both of you, Adam, I saw you.
Alright, Will loses.
Adam, I saw you. I thought we said we're not doing downstairs.
I went to the toilet. I didn't get some shoes.
So we found Adam and Will, so we need to find Zach now. Where's Zach?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour.
Hello.
I should put on my jumper now. Yeah, well, it just played it straight away. Let's go down here. This way.
Oh, there's the Hello.
Bonjour.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
It gets very hot when you're near it.
What is changing colour? Wait, that's green. It doesn't come up on the camera, but it's.
The trees. Me and Will just got killed by a firework.
Something, guys, the fireworks just finished. I just came upstairs to put my phone on charge, and now I'm going downstairs to sit in the long room. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur.
Add it back. Would you stay on it?
No.
Why not?
I'd tie him down. So he'll just take you away, wouldn't he?
Okay, so guys, the evening's come to an end now. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.